To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll consider each statement separately first and then together if needed. Before the statements, let's go ahead and define some variables that we can use when interpreting this word problem. Let's pick X to represent the number of bus tokens that the commuter has. So X will be the number of bus tokens the commuter has. And then let's let Y represent the number of subway and tokens that the commuter has. So from the actual equation, we're given that X plus Y is equal to 40, since he has a total of 40 tokens this month. We need to determine the value of Y. So the question asks us, what is the value of Y? Now, in our data sufficiency question, we're essentially looking for whether the statements give us enough information to be able to find Y. We don't actually have to find the value. So let's go ahead and let's dive into each statement individually. Let's start with statement 1. This statement tells us that the average or arithmetic mean cost of each token the commuter has is $2.25. So we can actually find the mean based off of the cost. So each bus token costs $3, each subway token costs $2. So finding the mean, we would have 3x, so the cost of each bus token, or all the bus tokens, plus the cost of all of the subway tokens, so 2 times y, divided by the total cost, or the total amount of tokens that we have would be 40. That would be the average, which would equal 2.25, so $2.25. Now, clearing fractions and simplifying a bit, we can multiply both sides by 40, and we would end up with 3x plus 2y is equal to 90. Now, this equation compared to this equation, the given, they're actually unique. So for statement 1, we have a system of the equation that we're given as well, or the equation that we have from statement 1, as well as the given equation together. And together these set up a system of equations, 2 unique equations. We should be able to get an answer for both x and y of value, meaning that we could find a value for y. So this statement alone would be sufficient to be able to find that value. So scrolling up, we can actually eliminate several answer choices now that we know that statement 1 is sufficient. We can eliminate answer choice B, C, and E. So that leaves us with A or D, and to figure out which one is going to be our answer choice, we need to consider statement 2. So similar to what we did for statement 1, let's consider statement 2 alone. And we'll scroll down here a little bit. We'll leave statement 2 available to read. So statement 2 says the commuter paid a total of $90 for all tokens this month. This gives us an equation if we interpret this. So paying a total of $90 for all of the tokens per month, we just need the cost of all of the tokens, which would be $3 times x, because every bus token costs $3. If we scroll back up here, we have each bus token costs $3. Each subway token costs $2. So we have plus 2 times y would equal $90, which would be the total cost. This is actually the same situation that we had in statement 1. If we look at this equation that we got from statement 2, it's the exact same equation that we got from statement 1, meaning that since this equation came from the given, or the question, we have this system again. So we're in the same situation as before, meaning that this statement alone is also sufficient. So we would be able to scroll up and eliminate the last answer choice, which would be choice A, because each statement alone is sufficient. So our final answer choice would be choice D.